Google is getting ready to launch its next generation of smartphones, and the Pixel 11 series is already creating a lot of excitement. With just a few months left before the expected announcement, leaks and reports have revealed a surprising amount of information about Google's upcoming devices. From a powerful new processor to a unique notification system, the Pixel 11 lineup could bring some interesting upgrades while keeping the familiar Pixel identity that fans already know and love. Just like previous generations, Google is expected to launch 4 different models. The lineup will reportedly include the Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 11 Pro Fold. This strategy gives buyers multiple options depending on their budget and needs. When it comes to launch timing, Google appears to be sticking with its newer release schedule. The company moved its hardware event to the summer a few years ago, and that change has worked well. Based on previous launches, the Pixel 11 series is expected to arrive sometime in August 2026. That would place it right between Samsung's flagship launches and Apple's new iPhone announcements, giving Google a perfect opportunity to grab attention. Pricing is also expected to remain familiar. Current leaks suggest the standard Pixel 11 could start at around $799. The Pixel 11 Pro may begin at $999, while the larger Pixel 11 Pro XL could cost around $1,199. For those interested in foldable phones, the Pixel 11 Pro Fold is expected to start at approximately $1,799. Looking at the design, Google is not planning a major overhaul. Instead, the company appears to be refining the look introduced with previous Pixel generations. The iconic camera bar remains, but leaks suggest a cleaner appearance this time. Instead of having a frame color surrounding the camera lenses, the entire camera housing may feature an all-black design. This subtle change could make the rear of the phone look more modern and premium. One of the most exciting rumored additions is something called Pixel Glow. According to leaks, Google may introduce an RGB lighting system built around the camera bar. This lighting feature could work as a customizable notification indicator, displaying different colors for calls, messages, charging status, and other alerts. It would give Pixel phones a distinctive visual identity while adding useful functionality at the same time. Display sizes are expected to stay largely unchanged. The standard Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro may both feature 6.3-inch OLED displays. The larger Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to use a 6.8-inch panel, while the Pixel 11 Pro Fold could offer a 6.3-inch outer screen and a massive 8-inch internal display when unfolded. Google is also expected to improve brightness levels across the lineup. The Pro models may reach up to 2,450 nits of peak brightness, making them easier to view outdoors in bright sunlight. Smooth refresh rates up to 120 Hz should continue to deliver fluid scrolling, gaming, and animations. The biggest upgrade could be hiding inside the phones. Reports suggest that Google will introduce the new Tensor G6 processor. This chip is expected to be built using TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer manufacturing process. That may sound technical, but it could bring real benefits for users. A smaller manufacturing process typically means better efficiency, lower heat generation, and stronger performance. In everyday use, that could translate into longer battery life, smoother multitasking, faster app loading, and improved gaming performance. The Tensor G6 is also expected to feature major improvements in artificial intelligence. Google has always focused heavily on AI features, and the new chip could make voice recognition, image processing, live translation, and smart assistant features faster and more accurate than ever before. Camera upgrades remain somewhat mysterious. Leaks suggest Google may be introducing a new 50-megapixel primary camera sensor. However, complete camera specifications have not yet been revealed. Knowing Google's track record, software processing will likely continue to play a major role in image quality. One notable change appears to be the removal of the temperature sensor found on previous Pro models. While some users appreciated the feature, many rarely used it. Google may be removing it to make room for the new Pixel Glow lighting system and other internal components. Battery capacities across the lineup look solid. The Pixel 11 Pro XL could feature the largest battery at around 5,000 mAh, while the other models are expected to stay close to their predecessors. Combined with the efficiency improvements of the Tensor G6 chip, battery life could see noticeable gains. Another interesting rumor involves memory configurations. Some reports suggest Google may offer multiple RAM options for the same device. The standard Pixel 11 could come with either 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM, while the Pro models may be available with 12 GB or even 16 GB. This could allow Google to keep entry prices competitive while offering more powerful configurations for demanding users. Overall, the Pixel 11 series is shaping up to be a smart evolution rather than a complete redesign. Google appears focused on improving performance, battery efficiency, AI capabilities, and user experience while keeping the design that has become instantly recognizable. With an expected August launch getting closer every day, more leaks and official details should arrive soon. And if the current rumors turn out to be accurate, the Pixel 11 lineup could become one of Google's strongest smartphone releases yet. What do you think about the Pixel 11 series? Is the new Pixel Glow feature enough to get excited about, or are the Tensor G6 upgrades the real highlight? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartphone leaks, updates, and tech news.